Hello ladies and gents, welcome. Today I have this segmented blank of ash and mahogany. I'm not sure the type of mahogany this is, but I can say for sure it's mahogany. I've done this type of segmenting before. I've done a couplet before, so this is like a number 2 of it, but it will be different shape. I've already had a little bit of think about how what shape I want, and I think I'm going to go for like a tulip shape for the cup. And here I have like maybe 2 beads, like one of them bigger and then smaller, and then nice curve here. Then I'm going to step it down like 3 steps maybe, or maybe 2, so it's the same as these 2 beads. I don't want like maybe 3. I don't want 3 here and then 2 here. I might either make this 3 and then make this 3 as well, or go with 2. But with wood turning, you always change your mind when you're turning, especially with the segmenting, because of different pattern you could get, with different shapes. So don't hold me to this. It might completely it might be completely different shape, but I'll aim for this. Now I'm going to throw this blank up. I've already made a tenon and I had it between center. Made the tenon and mounted it on the chuck. Save us a little bit of time. I'm going to throw this up and I'll come back. I don't want this video to be too long, and I've already showed most of these in my past videos. We're just going for the different design with this video. Alright guys, I finished drilling. I went up to here, just a little bit before where I'm going to curve. I'm going to use this Simon Hope carbide tool, which is already a 45, so you get constant 45. It's a bit hard for me to record while I'm doing it, but I'm gonna try my best and show you guys at least some of the process, but you get what I mean. It's just a matter of doing that. But because I've got the camera and the arm that I made myself, it's really in the way, but I'll show you guys some of it. Another thing I wanted to say before hollowing, if you're unsure about your segmented piece, if the joints don't have if the joints have like gaps and you're not comfortable with, don't risk your safety. Start another piece. As much as it, I know how long it takes to make one of these. Uh, double check from the start, when you're building up, so you don't have to start over. Make sure everything is square, if you're making something like this. But don't risk your safety, because it could shatter on you, and you don't want these flying at your face. Have protective face protective shield, and double check everything. I'm going to start now on the foot. I've got this tennis ball here to support the couplet when I turn the stem. It won't damage the inside of the couplet, and it's fairly safe. Okay, that's much better. I'm gonna sand this part now. Alright, that's all done, guys. I'm so pleased how it turned out. I've applied 2 coats of microcrystalline wax and then buffed it at the end, parted off the base. As you can see, it's like the shape of the outside. Inside is hollow, the shape of the outside. It's hard to see the curve in there, but yeah. I made sure there is no scratch line. I will post some pictures at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed turning this. I'm starting to love turning these segmented pieces. I will do different type of segmenting, different shapes. I did similar to this but different shape. On some of you who've been following me would remember, but this is like completely different shape. So it's not like you watched the same video. It's completely different shape, and that's mainly because of my curiosity. I wanted to see what shapes I will get, and it's clear that it always depends on the type of curves you have on the piece, and I managed to capture quite a nice different types of patterns in this segment. So I hope it inspired you to do something similar, and if you wanted, you can always share your own turnings in my videos. I don't mind at all. You know, I'd like us to have back and forward conversations, and I'm sure all of most of you who do follow me know me that I answer all of the comments in the videos, and yeah, I don't discriminate. I answer all of you guys. Sometimes after the upload I will answer instantly, you know, when I see it, but a couple of hours later, you know, I might be asleep, you know, so don't get disheartened. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe. We're close to 2000, which I will be doing another giveaway like we did on the 1000 mark, and I will do something special for that one as a thank you for you guys, and the draw would be random like last time. I won't take your time any longer. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.